Can artificial intelligence create a budget-friendly shopping list for 7 days, including meal recommendations for a cost under $100? Let's get started. Breakfast options. 1. Oatmeal with banana. 2. Scrambled eggs and toast. 3. Yogurt with granola and berries. Lunch options. 1. Tuna sandwich with lettuce and tomato. 2. Vegetable stir-fry with rice. 3. Chicken salad. Dinner options. 1. Spaghetti with marinara sauce and salad. 2. Baked chicken with steamed vegetables. 3. Beef stir-fry with broccoli and bell peppers. Snack options. 1. Fresh fruit, apples, bananas. 2. Nuts, almonds, peanuts. 3. Carrot sticks with hummus. Shopping list. 1. Rolled oats, $3. 2. Bananas, $2. 3. Eggs, $3. 4. Bread, $2. 5. Yogurt, $4. 6. Granola, $3. 7. Mixed berries, $4. 8. Tuna cans, $5. 9. Lettuce, $2. 10. Tomatoes, $3. 11. Rice, $2. 12. Mixed vegetables, frozen, $5. 13. Chicken breasts, $10. 14. Spaghetti, $1. 15. Marinara sauce, $2. 16. Salad mix, $3. 17. Beef, $8. 18. Broccoli, $3. 19. Bell peppers, $4. 20. Apples, $4. 21. Almonds, $5. 22. Peanuts, $3. 23. Carrots, $2. 24. Hummus, $3. Total, $97.